AI is changing the way we work. Whether it's generating images, summarizing text, or even moderating content, AI can supercharge your automations and take them to the next level. Activepieces makes it incredibly easy to integrate AI into your workflows without needing an API key, without complex setup, and without writing a single line of code. In this video, we're going to explore how AI can transform your automations and walk you through 2 real-world examples you can build today inside Activepieces. Let's dive in. AI inside Activepieces comes in 3 powerful features, and you can find them all inside the AI category when building your automations. Let's take a quick look. The first is Image AI. This allows you to generate visuals on demand, perfect for automating social media posts, blog banners, or even custom graphics without manual effort. We'll use this in one of our automations today. Next is Text AI. This is where AI can process and generate text, whether it's summarizing emails, crafting marketing copy, or even responding to customer inquiries. If your automation needs AI to think and write like a human, this is where it happens. Finally, we have Utility AI. This category is all about structure and moderation. You can use AI to classify text, to extract key data from messy inputs, or even moderate content by detecting inappropriate language in real time. We'll also be using this in an automation today. Activepieces also enables you to use some of your favorite AI tools to enhance your automations, including 11 Labs, DeepSeek, Perplexity, and more. Whether you're leveraging built-in AI or integrating with external platforms, you have complete flexibility to make your workflows smarter and more dynamic. With these AI capabilities, you can take automation to the next level. Let's put them to use with 2 real-world examples. Okay, now imagine you run a content agency. Every time your team updates a Google Sheet with a new blog post idea, you need an engaging image to go with it. Instead of manually designing one, we'll automate this process using AI image generation. Now let's jump into Activepieces and walk through exactly how this automation was built. First, I set my trigger as a new row added in my Google Sheet. That has a list of topics my team is looking to write for an article. Once I tested the step, you can see all my rows from my sheet are showing here. Next, I added Image AI's Generate Image action as my next step in my flow. I chose the model DALL-E3 because it produces high-quality, detailed images that work well for blog visuals. Next, I wrote the following prompt. Generate an image for the following topic title, and through the data selector, I inserted the field that would have the topic name from my sheet. I then set the image quality to standard and the resolution to 1792 by 1024 to get a horizontal rectangle, which is perfect for blog article covers. Once I tested the step, you can see that it outputs a download file, which you can click to view what the image looks like and check if it matches your expectations. If you don't like it, you can refine your prompt. Next, I added another action to my flow that sends a message to my Slack channel. I connected my Slack account, selected my blog team's channel, and wrote my message, which includes the topic name for reference and link to the image the AI generated. Once I clicked Test Step, a message was instantly sent to my blog team's Slack channel, confirming that the flow works. Finally, to have the automation run, first test your entire flow. Once everything checks out with no issues, you can publish. Now, every time a new topic is added to your Google Sheet, AI will generate an image and send it to your team automatically. No more manual design work, just fast AI-powered content creation that keeps your marketing workflow running smoothly. Now, let's shift gears to something completely different. Content moderation. If you manage a community or internal Slack workspace, keeping conversations professional is a challenge. Luckily for you, living in the 21st century, AI can scan messages in real time, flag inappropriate content, and take action automatically. Now, let's take a look at how this automation was built inside Activepieces. First, for my trigger, I set it as anytime a new Slack message is sent inside my community channel. I connected my channel, selected my community's channel, and tested the step to make sure it could pull messages from my community channel. Next, as my action step, I used the Utility AI for moderation checks. I selected the provider and model, then inside the text field, I used the data selector to insert the incoming text messages from Slack. If needed, you can also add images to monitor right here. Then I tested my step to see if the AI could review my incoming Slack message. Based on the output, as you can see, it was able to detect an issue with a recent message. Next, I added a router so that whenever a message is flagged by the AI, an automated message was sent to my community moderators in our language infraction channel. And as a side note, if you want to know how to set up conditions like this, we uploaded an entire tutorial on how our router tool works. Just check out the card that should appear now on your screen to learn more about our router tool. Now, getting back to where we were, I then set my Slack message action as branch 1 so that flagged messages trigger an alert to moderators. I left the otherwise section empty so Activepieces knows to ignore messages that are not flagged. Inside my send a message to my Slack channel action, I added the following message to be sent. Using the data selector, I included the new message that was sent from my Slack community and also added all the types of infractions so my team knows which one was violated. Once I tested my step, a message was automatically sent to my language infractions channel, as you can see in this example. Now, every time someone sends an inappropriate message in my community channel, the AI will flag it and send a message to my moderators in a separate channel. And because of the condition I set up, it will only send flagged messages to my moderators and ignore the rest. With AI handling moderation, you can ensure a clean and professional community without constant manual oversight. Now, these were just 2 examples, but the possibilities are endless. For example, for an agency, AI can automatically generate client reports by pulling in data, analyzing trends, and formatting it into a structured document ready to send. For a SaaS company, AI can score and categorize incoming leads based on their likelihood to convert, then push them into a CRM with priority tagging. For a consulting firm, AI can extract key insights from client meeting transcripts and summarize them into action items. You can build all of these and so much more in Activepieces today. As you can see, AI isn't just a buzzword. It's a game changer for automation. Whether you're creating content, moderating communities, or making data-driven decisions, AI makes your workflows smarter, faster, and more efficient. If you're ready to start building AI-powered automations, you can get started with Activepieces for free today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying the Activepieces 101 series. See you in the next video.